evening, everyone. Welcome to another episode with Celtic McWalks. Today, when you're in Hyderabad, everyone says you got to try the biryani. So I'm going to discover that. Going on a recommendation of the guy in the shop when I did the video with the 2,000 rupees and what I could buy. He had recommended a place, so we're gonna find that place and see what it's like. So stay tuned and see what the biryani is like as I'm just leaving my hotel now. A good day, hustle and bustle. So it's a 22 or 27 minute walk, or it's a 7-minute ride in the tuk-tuk. So I don't know. We'll work up an appetite. Maybe we'll see what it's like walking along the way. See if we can cross over. There's a lot of cars coming here. And we'll just wait after this. Here we go. It's a lot of fun crossing the streets in India. And there we go. Done and dusted. So, let's go get some biryani. I'm kind of hungry now. I haven't really eaten since I had the breakfast this morning. So I've worked up an appetite. There we go. It's getting a little more milder. It's not as hot with the sun going down a bit, so it was really, really hot this afternoon. Anyways, I'm going to turn off the camera a bit. Probably get closer to the place I'm going to, Café Bahar. But if I grab a tuk-tuk, I'll turn it back on. So we're still walking there. It's not too bad of a walk. Just look at all these cows here. Jeez. Look at them inside there too. And some on the other side as well, as we walk along. It's not too bad of an evening. It's still warm, but not unbearable. My phone, my camera seems to be doing well. Free home delivery. Ooh. So keep walking. Not too long there. 12 minutes away. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. California burrito, Mexican kitchen. That's a big restaurant there. Packed too. Maybe I'll try that out in one of my other vlogs. Let's see. But now we'll just keep going. We have about, like I said, 10 minutes roughly. I'll probably take a tuk-tuk back because in total it's 22 minutes. Still a ways to go. Okay, so the walk's almost done. I suppose, yeah, it's just right here to the left. I'm making juice. Orange juice, I think. Café Bahar. Here it is. Restaurant. Here it goes. Here's the place. Let's get a thumbnail. See what it looks like. Biryani's right up there. Wonder if we go inside here. That's a takeaway. AC family. Let's see what this place is like. Up there. Yeah. We go in here. Hand shop. Here says welcome. Let's go upstairs and see what this is. This has AC, so hopefully no music. Well, it was recommended by your man, so you'll see this place looks like. Oh, just me? One person?
One.
Yes. Take off the old hat. Hello. So, very good. Biryani supposed to be very good, eh?
Only biryani?
Your biryani?
Any cover?
Biryani.
Chicken, mutton.
I'll try mutton. I haven't tried mutton yet.
Yeah.
I've had chicken, mutton. I've had chicken before, but
One chicken.
Chicken biryani. Yeah.
One chicken biryani.
Okay. And
Anything else?
take a look.
Any kebab? Any starter?
No starters. No, I'll leave room for ice cream, drinks. Salan coffee. Okay, I'll probably just get a drink and maybe and I'll have a butter naan,
Yes, sir.
egg butter naan.
One butter naan.
Yeah, and for drink, just do you have a cold? Do you have thumbs up or Coke or
Thumbs up, Coke available.
Coke?
Coke, one Coke.
Yeah, yeah.
That one chicken biryani, one butter naan, one Coke can.
No, not chicken biryani. Mutton biryani.
One chicken mutton,
One mutton biryani.
one mutton biryani.
Yeah, and then a butter tandoori
naan.
naan, and then a Coke to make myself look good.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's get this camera sorted. Oh, so this is we're going still. So I was thinking about trying the special lassi. We'll see. My record with the lassi didn't do it too well last time, but we'll see. Maybe it'll be adventurous at the end of it. So it's a highly recommended biryani. So first time trying mutton one. See how it makes. Okay. So this is what it came to. This is the biryani, mutton biryani with the naan bread. Eh? Very good. Okay. That's a big container of biryani for me. Very good. Thank you. Thank you very much. And we have the sauces. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, let's do a thumbnail. And then look at this. Get some white onions. Oh, there's some there. It's okay. It's all good. We'll put on some lemon on there. I like lemon and onion. Let us be the sauce. Ooh. We'll put a bit of that on there too as well. And then we'll mix in some of the yogurt. Counterbalance it. See what that's like. And then we have the naan bread too. Crispy. Take a piece of this. Let's try to get a piece of the mutton to go with it. Now the mutton might have bone in it, so you have to watch that. Look at that. No bone. Very good. A little bit of onion. Very good. That Coke is nice and cold. Really appreciate it. Yeah, I looked at my phone and it's still 34 degrees outside. Although it feels a little easier without the sun. That's a lot of food. Good thing I didn't eat all day. Very good. And all this is, I wonder what the price is. I didn't even look at the price. I didn't care really. I'll let you know what it was. It's portable. Okay, and then I'll do another thumbnail here. Right? No, it's good. I'm just taking a picture. It's good. Thanks. Look at that. Lots of food. Weighs about a kilo. Like, that's a lot of food. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish eating all of this, and I'll show you how far much I get through it all. If I get it lastly, I'll put it back on. I'll let you know how much this price of this amazing meal. Hyderabad's famous Mutton Biryani. So, there was a little bit of a bone in it, but not much, but it's really, really tasty. Especially the rice. Very fluffy. And I got an order of another Coke, just help wash it down. There's no way in hell I'm going to finish all that rice. Look at all that rice that's still in there. I had him go through and get all the mutton out for me. So he's done that. So, but, see how much of the damage I could do. I see cloves in here. Really good. Much improved. Okay, so I finished the bake I had, but there's no way I'm going to finish that. That's just way too much. I have my second Coke I'm going to finish, and I'll let you know what the price is. Very good. I'm going to put the link in the bottom in the description. If you're ever in Hyderabad in India, make sure you stop by. Highly recommend it. And the place is packed. All sorts of people coming out. They have a downstairs portion, and this is the AC with family. Very place available. Really good. Talking to the captain, explaining where I was from and that I've been to, this is India my second time around, so thumbs up. But this time I had Coke, not thumbs up. Usually I have thumbs up, that this is good. It's nice and cold in the can. When I was talking before about getting something, a snack for the room later, I said, I don't think I will. I'm full now.
Anything else?
No, everything's good. Just the bill? Yeah.
Cash give?
Cash. Give me cash. And I'm going to get back to the room after I finish this vlog. Do some studying on what to do tomorrow. We have a full day to explore in Hyderabad again. And then the following day, we have a flight planned for another destination in the south. So stay tuned and see where that is. Well, very good. This is the mincer to Put in your hands and sugar. Just put a little bit. Biryani seed and sugar. Very good. Refreshes the palate, especially after the biryani. Biryani wasn't too spicy. There was a little bit of spice in it, but nothing too much. So just wait for the bill. All done and dusted. They give me the little bowl to wash my hand in. So it's a massive biryani. And I asked him, I said, is that for 2 people, the biryani? He says, no, it's 1 person. 1 person usually finishes that, so I'm just not able to eat the big portions like that.
How you taste biryani?
Very good. Very good. And the rice was really nice.
Sorry?
The rice was very good. Nice and fluffy and very good. Really good job. I had it. This is only the 2nd time I've eaten biryani. The other time was in Lahore. I had some in Lahore, chicken biryani.
Yes,
Yeah.
Lahore.
Yeah.
Lahore.
Yeah. Yeah, so Pakistan's a nice country too. But India's just the same. They're my 2 favorite countries so far. And Nepal. I like Nepal too.
Sorry?
Nepal?
Nepal.
Nepal. No, Nepal.
I don't know.
Nepal?
Nepal. Yes.
Yeah.
Nepal.
Yeah. Those are my 3 favorite now. They're very good. I like traveling in Asia when I can. It's really good. Very good. Even have cute toothpicks. You probably need it after the Tennessee there. So that was a portion for 1 person. Ouch. It's a lightly eater I am. I'm no beard meats food, that's for sure. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, finished, thank you. So for all that, so it's the 2 cans of Coke. They were 45 each, so it's 90 rupees. The butter naan 45. The mutton biryani 340. So, and there was the tax on it, so 4.99. So 500 rupees, which is like 550 euros. So that's really nice. So there's the 500 for the meal, and I'll leave I think 200 for the tip. So that's still 7 euros for a massive meal, biryani in the. Thank you very much. That's good. Famous in Hyderabad, world's famous. So, thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Very much appreciate it. Very good.
Come again, sir.
Number 1. Thank you. So, that was the meal. Very good. Very affordable. Very filling. Thank you very much. And they were all very nice. And now we're getting out in the heat again. I was going to take a tuk-tuk back, but after eating all that food, I have to walk this off. Oh, and there's even cakes there. Jeez, I couldn't see any cake. There's even a car park across the side. So here's where it is. And there's a sign up there. And look at it now with the lights coming out. Building's all lit up. Yeah. So that'll do this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure there's more to come in the Indian 2.0 series. I got lots of places still to see and things to do. Whole day exploring tomorrow. That'll be another vlog, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like. And don't forget to share it with your friends and comment. It helps the algorithms. So, in Hyderabad, in India, signing off. And have a good evening. I'm going to make my way back to the room and lie down and do some plans for tomorrow. Walking back to the room, look at this place. I'm doing this little alleyway, following the Google Maps, and came onto that. That was neat.